In the last video, we opened After Effects door with scripts. Today, the door stays open, but we put the scripts away. For everyday operations, there are ready-made actions: project, comps, import, text, layers, and render, each one a field and go. And at the end of the video, we'll line them up behind a single button. Change the title card text, cue it, render it. One click, one language. Let's go. First, family, project, and compositions. The composition action has two modes: create, name, size, frame rate, duration, and the comp opens right in the viewer, and open by name, which fetches an existing comp. There it is, the title card from last video, and that's what we'll work on. The project action opens, saves, and closes the project. Here I save it to the desktop with Save As. And notice this field, Unsaved, changes. When a macro opens or closes a project, After Effects would normally throw a "Do you want to save?" window at you, and the macro just sits there waiting, maybe while you're in the kitchen. Here you decide up front. The action either stops and tells you, or discards or saves. No surprise daí. Second, family, importing. I pick the file, video, image, or audio, and decide whether to stop at the project or take it straight into a composition. With the checkbox, the footage lands as a layer of the title card. Now picture the macro version. One button that imports your latest recording and drops it in a comp, right after OBS stops recording or another app finishes exporting. You already have the pieces. Third, family, the template one, text and layers by name. The text action finds the title layer in the comp and replaces its content. The text changes, the animation stays, because the keyframes live on the layer, not on the text. That's why I told you to remember that name last video. And the layer action drives the switches: visibility, solo, lock, title off, title on, two buttons on your deck, and you're toggling a graphic element while you work. And now the queen, rendering. Queue. The render action in Add to Queue mode puts the comp in the queue with the output module you prefer. Start. Start queue fires the queue and waits for it to finish. Sounds like a detail, but it means the actions after the render start when the file is ready. Now watch. Localize and render. 3 actions in a row in a single macro. Change the title text, queue the comp, render. Click. Spanish text, render, file on the desktop. Duplicate the macro, change text, and file name. 1 button per language. Done by hand, this is an afternoon. And for closed projects, there's also rendering without opening After Effects. It's called render, and we'll see it in the next video. To recap, comps created and opened by name, projects saved without dialogues, import straight into a comp, text and layer switches by name, and the render queue under control, up to the button that localizes and renders on its own. Next video, the final step, we plug in an Excel sheet, 10 rows, 10 languages, and After Effects renders them all by itself, 1 per row. The template stops being a file. It becomes an assembly line. See you there.